everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Jelly Belly Wax Collection. That's right, I have not yet even stuck my nose into this. It just came, so I figure why not sniff this out together. This is a limited time only collection, so consider yourself warned. This will sell out. I don't know when it will sell out. We haven't been given any particular dates. It's just while supplies last. So if this seems like something that you might enjoy, or maybe someone that you know might enjoy it, this would make a perfect gift. I mean, let's just talk about the packaging already. I mean, it's so cute, of course, and it's totally perfect for wrapping. You've got it already packaged up in a little box. It's perfect, and these scents sound like they're gonna be amazing. There's just one that I feel like probably isn't gonna be my cup of tea, but you never know. Let's go ahead and check this out. Now, before I forget, like I said, this is available only while supplies last. It is still currently available while I'm recording this for $30 US and $40 Canadian. So there you have it. Okay, so let's see here. Inside the box here, if I can try to not completely damage it. Now, this is mine, so I can rip into it, but so already right off the bat, look at how cute the packaging. So you've got your bars on one side, and then your little collection is going to come with a pack of Jelly Bellies. How cool is this? I love this. So we have the Scentsy logo as well as the Jelly Belly logo, and you have your delicious Jelly Bellies in there. Perfect. So right underneath the Jelly Bellies, you have this little picture here. Scentsy plus Jelly Belly equals smiley face. Ain't that the truth? So, okay, so once you open this little flap here, then you have all of the delicious bars. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first one is called Juicy Pear. And of course you have the perfect packaging. I love the designs on the front labels here. So this one I know I'm gonna love, because who doesn't love Juicy Pear? Oh yeah, it smells just like the Juicy Pear Jelly Belly. Of course it should, but it's very sweet. It's not like fresh Juicy Pear. It's like you just broke open one of your Jelly Belly Juicy Pear and stuck them in your nose. So good. so good. And honestly, just on cold, because obviously I have not had a chance to warm these yet, but just on for this one, it smells like it's going to be pretty strong. So we'll see. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about this one. Juicy Pear, jam-packed with lush and jus pears and bright vanilla cotton candy. Oh, it's so good. I just want to bite it. Okay, so Juicy Pear. By the way, all of these bars are available to add to your Scentsy Club while they are available. So if there is just one bar out of this collection that you feel like is going to be more your cup of tea and you want to add it to your Scentsy Club, you can do that. And if it's in your Scentsy Club, Scentsy will continue to make it for you as long as it's in your subscription. So there you go. The next one is Sizzling Cinnamon, and this one is the one that I'm thinking is not gonna be my cup of tea necessarily, just because I'm not a huge cinnamon person, but you never know. This smells exactly what I expected it to. It smells like a Red Hot. It totally smells like a Red Hot or a Sizzling Cinnamon Jelly Belly. So that's, whew, man, that is strong. So let me see here. Scentsy says, Sizzling Cinnamon, a spicy sweet blend of real cinnamon, orange zest, and sugar cane. It's a cinnamon jelly bean. That's what it smells like. So good though. Okay, now Tutti Frutti. And it is a beautiful pink wax. How fun is that? And this, is that supposed to smell like bubblegum? It smells like bubblegum. It totally smells like bubblegum. So for those of you who miss bubblegum blast and just love bubblegum scented wax, this, you really could like bite into this. Oh my lands. Okay. Let's see here. Scentsy says Tutti Frutti, tantalizing fruity, juicy citrus and subtle florals swirl with wintergreen and cloves. It smells like bubblegum. It totally smells like bubblegum. It is very, very sweet, but it smells like it's going to be really super strong. So We shall see. And like I said, I can't get over the color of this wax. It's so fun. Next are going to be probably my two favorites, maybe, possibly. Green apple, because who doesn't love a good green apple scent? It's going to be a candied green apple. I'm not trying to like fool anybody here, but, and look at this wax color too. How fun. And that, it smells exactly like the jelly bean tastes. It smells, so it's actually making my mouth water a little bit. Green apple, a perfect fusion of tart green apples, spun sugar, and candy sweet vanilla. I mean, they hit the nail on the head with these. They really do smell like the exact jelly beans. I mean, that's really, really good. So that is green apple. And last, but most certainly not least, is toasted marshmallow. This is probably one of my favorite Jelly Bellies to eat. So, and I love toasted marshmallow from the summer collection. So we'll see how this pairs up. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. This is going in my club. It's different than the toasted marshmallow that Scentsy came out with over the summer. This is a much sweeter. Oh, but it's so good. Oh, that's so good. I'm trying to, I can't put my finger on it. There's something. Oh man, that's good. Oh. Okay, toasted marshmallow. Oozing with the buttery scent of fire roasted vanilla, crystallized amber, and hints of cedarwood. It's so good. Oh man, is that good. Toasted marshmallow. All of these smell exactly the way the actual jelly beans taste to a T. That's crazy good. I would say my favorite out of this collection, so there's 5 in this collection. I would have to say my favorite is the toasted marshmallow. I would say if I only had to pick one, it would be this one. After that would be juicy pear, and then green apple, and then Tutti Frutti, and then sizzling cinnamon. Honestly, they did really, really good with this collection. This is really, really fun. It's very different. I love that you get a little pack of jelly beans in there with it. Does it even say? Yeah, it even lists on here exactly which jelly beans you're getting. So that's fun. I mean, the packaging is spot on per usual. It's just, this is such a fun collection. I'm so glad that Scentsy decided to do this and do this pairing. I think that's awesome. This is still currently available only while supplies last. Like I said, it's $30 US, $40 Canadian. If you want any of these in your Scentsy club to continually auto ship to you, continually be made for you, add them to your club. Don't wait. Toasted marshmallow is going in there for sure. Oh, for me, this one is a little bit sweeter than the toasted marshmallow from Scentsy. This is from Scentsy, but from the summer collection, I feel like that one, you got more of that woodsy, almost like smoky kind of scent to it. This isn't like smoky, like bonfire-y kind of like, you know what I mean? This is just buttery toasted marshmallow jelly bean. It's so good. I can't get over it. Okay, you guys, so that is it. That is the Jelly Belly wax collection. Just got it. Had to stick my nose in it with you guys. I'm gonna get to warming and I will let you guys know my thoughts and the performance and all of that jazz. So I am super, super pumped to give those a try. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have gotten this collection, if you have started warming, what your favorite out of this Jelly Belly wax collection is. I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.